Review of Cummins India Limited. Profits taking Cummins up. Company that was started in 1962 manufacturing diesel engines and natural gas engines. Company has 21 facilities operating in 200 locations. Let's look at the numbers. Ranking on price is 73.1. Stocks that rank above 70 among our list. Current list is around 704. Those that are above 70 are worth keeping in track list for investment. Earnings rank is 43.3. That is about 57% of the 704 are giving better profits than Cummins in the market today. Stock price had a remarkable progress. We can see on the chart of price rank. Red line is the stock's closing price and blue line is the rank. Stock which was 6 months back at 449 levels has come to 787 now. Ranking has also improved significantly from 25.9 to 73.1. Fantastic improvement. Teacher gives a A plus grade marks card to its student. On EBITDA growth, stock has been in the negative zone for most 2 years now, and from September onwards it's turned up and gone positive. Currently at 18.1% EBITDA growth on quarterly. Coming to trailing 12 months EBITDA growth, the stock is still in the negative zones at minus 17.5%. The turnaround that the company has been having in the last 2 quarters looks like there will be a significant upside. On the peer group comparison, Cummins India is the first topmost company on the ranking. Lowest is Greaves Cotton. On the earnings rank, Swaraj Engines ranks the top. So obviously on the business and the profit the company is making, it is not the best among the group today. Looking at the business growth, sales have been taking a very big drop, while towards the end on December 2020 quarterly, we can see profits have had a significant up move. So the stock is coming out of the ICU, recovering very fast. Margins have also gone up. That is one beautiful advantage. So these kind of companies which have sales down, profits going up and margins increasing, that they give a significant advantage when sales starts picking up. That will give a huge profit numbers for the companies. That's why the stock is already front-ended the expected returns and it is already run up. Target for the company is also, stock is also been excellent. On the investors front, some beautiful discovery was made. FIIs and retail were the smartest here. The stock has made significant run up, and both these investors, FIIs and retail, have made fantastic money out of the stock. Somehow mutual funds have missed out to hold the stock, and probably this would also culminate to lesser income or returns to mutual fund investors. Coming to charts, when the stock price hit the low in March 2020, that time indicators showed signs that bears are getting weak and attracted bulls. Steep turnaround gets double confirmation. When the turnaround happened, it's also having a trend reversal. A breakout and a trend reversal, when such signals come, it is very, very powerful, and we can see the kind of run the stock has had. Trend reversal came at around 450 levels. So today the stock is at 800 levels. It's about to touch 100% returns. And the trend reversal has come in the month of August. We have put an arrow there. Orange arrow showing a breakout and blue arrow showing the trend reversal. It just had a small consolidation after the breakout and afterwards it takes off. Currently buy levels are 570, 635. So not good to buy at current levels at 785 levels. It has to come down, have a correction, or come to some support levels at 650. Without that, this stock will not be attractive. Buying now, it can hold consolidation or go down also. Need to be very careful if buying here. Coming to the numbers of the company, it's a 22,000 crore market cap company. On the valuation side, this stock has been fairly valued. 34 times its earnings the current stock price is trading at, while the sector is valued at 26 times. So this higher valuation is because of the patterns we saw in the business growth. When profits are going up, margins are going up, when business looks positive in the near term, that is a huge advantage. That's why the stock price is already front-ended the gains. There is going to be enormous opportunity for price upside in the stock. 29 analysts are tracking the stock, and 13 of them among them have given a buy signal for this stock, giving a target of 867. Of course, target for 867 from 785 is not very big, just about 85 rupees, nearly 10 plus percentage returns. While after a correction, if we buy say some 650 levels, it's going to be a 200 rupees gain, which is about 30 plus percentage. So today's market, generally all the stocks, good stocks, are having nearly 25 to 30% gain, which can happen in the next 8 months to 12 months time. Performance against the NSE 500, 1 year, 3 year, 1 month, all the periods Cummins had beaten the index. So very good stock. While do your due diligence, get to know the risk before committing money into the stock. Thank you.